I'm making tomato soup. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep some eggs for the freeze dryer today. We are really getting an overload of eggs and we need to do something. We need to do something with those eggs, and so yeah, we should be able to freeze dry 18 per tray. So I'm gonna go ahead and test that out today, and hopefully it's a success. So it's time to pull the freeze-dried eggs out. I freeze-dried 2 pans of eggs, which held 18 count of eggs that I scrambled on each one. And I did a pan of oatmeal and a pan of chicken nuggets. So we'll see how they turned out. Eggs look like. Weird. Maybe I should be like putting them into bigger chunks since I'm putting them in bags.
Yeah.
There it is. You can reconstitute it, and it's just like a regular raw egg, and you can scramble it, and you can also add it to recipes to bake with. And yeah, super cool. So I'll come back and let you know what 18 eggs looks like in a mason jar dried. What 18 powdered eggs look like. Yay. Okay, now this I made up some oatmeal. It's got the butter and the sugar and the milk and all of it. It's all mixed up together. That way whenever we go on a trip or something, we can just take this with us. We can reconstitute it with water. Let's see how. I'm scared it's gonna jump off of there.
Oh, cool.
That's cool. So that was close to half, I guess.
Yep.
Putting in these bags. Let's see if this will fit. Doesn't look like it's going to fit. I wonder what it tastes like just like that.
Try it.
Weird. It tastes really good. It's like a styrofoam oatmeal cookie or something.
Rice cake.
This is like a rice cake. Oh, my hands are all. Oh my, that's good. We may not reconstitute this at all.
Okay.
We'll just take it with us.
Breakfast bars.
Take it with us as breakfast bars, yeah. So we'll just stick all these in here and then stick an oxygen absorber in there. And then we'll seal it up with our little sealer.
barely fit. I may need to break them up a little bit more.
Lights on. Lights on. Oh, clicks too. That's cool.
Ooh, that's hot. Don't be touching that. Yeah, there's like little tear holes right here, so you just want to seal
nice.
it right above it.
Oh yeah.
I'll probably do another seal for good measure. Nice. All right, that's our first one. Okay, this is the oatmeal freeze dried. It's got butter and sugar and milk all in one, and it turned out like a little breakfast bar or something.
Yep.
And if we want, we can take it on a trip with us, and we can add liquid to it or add water to it and make it into oatmeal, or we can just eat it just like this. Oh, this is so good. Okay. It's so crazy.
Tastes like a rice cake to me.
Really good.
Like it.
See y'all later.